Alright, it's New Year's, next day. I'm still working as usual, 1 a.m. All the fireworks have stopped for once, finally. So we're getting ready to do a big sale here on my apparel shirts. I got a lot of different styles here. I got the new ones that everybody likes with the specializing Harley Davidson on the back side here. Everybody like those, so I'm going to be switching over those on everything until somebody says they want something different. So it'll be like this. So I'm going to discontinue all the ones that I just had made up earlier in the month, which are like these. They just have the street to strip on there. They don't have the, especially in the Harley Davidson like these ones are. So these have the bigger logo. These also have the bigger logo on them. They're about an inch bigger. Of course, it's hard to see that, but oh well. You get the idea. So I'm going to be working on my website here tonight and in my free time between now and sleeping. Probably tomorrow too. So right now I got a 10% off deal for everything. And I was on apparel anyway, not my oil. I was going to do a closeout on the older stuff, but it's too much work to do that right now. So I'm just going to bump this up to 20% off for a few days, maybe the rest of the week or something, I don't know. Short term, so a few days to a week. I'll leave it at 20% off, and then I'll drop it back to 10% off for the rest of the month as supplies last. And then I'll go ahead and take all my really old stuff that's in the plastic bags. Like this stuff here, some plastic bags. Here, these are my front ones, but this stuff here like this, I'll put in there for like 25-30% off. Most of it's a lot of weird size, like small or big ass ones. I got a bunch of these old hoodies here I'm gonna get rid of. Like they're all the weird sizes. These are that kind of a bluish, navy blue color. I'll be dumping them. These are the new black ones here. These are going to be on sale too. So these ones just got in. I like these ones. Here's the zipper version. And once again, when you get the ones in the baggies, those are the older ones. I'm going to give those a better deal here when I get the website up. But anyway, for now, everything's going to be 20% off. Pick what you want. I got a Hanes short sleeve with and without pockets. Some of the writing is above the pocket, some's on the pocket. The new ones are going to be on the pocket, so I'll make this logo a little bit smaller to fit on the pocket because I've been getting complaints back and forth on those. So see, these are all above pocket, above pocket. Some of these are actually on the pocket, but none of these are. Nope, these are all above. Oh well, some of them were. I don't know. They're in there somewhere. Anyway, you're going to get the oldest ones first, and then we'll start selling off the other stuff. So these are the All Style brand. I got Hanes and All Style, those are two brands. So these ones here are Hanes. These ones are All Style. So these are both short sleeve, standard tee. The Hanes are all beefy tees. The All Styles are the same 6-ounce weight, just different ones. So the Hanes are a little softer feeling. I think the All Styles live a little bit longer for my condition where I work a lot. So the Hanes tend to be slightly tighter than the All Style at times, but not always. It mixes up, I don't know. They make them how they want them. So on these ones, the colors are pretty close. On the other ones, there's a large variance in colors. Here's red. See, there's two different reds. This is Hanes, a little bit darker. This is All Style, a little bit lighter. But these feel, I'd say this feels a little bit softer than this, but it's mainly how the weave is done. It's not, you know, they're all 100% cotton. It's just how they're made. So these are, like I said, this is the newer logo, this is the older logo. This was done beginning of December, this is done in December. And then the ones over here in the plastic baggies, these were done anywhere from 3 years ago. So some of these have the specialized ends, some don't. You know, they vary. Here's one where they're on the pocket, see. Just now that the logo's on the pocket. So I'm gonna switch all over to this style here, but for now you have to hunt and pick to find whatever I got. So these are old ones, so like I said, later in the week I'll make these even more of a discount to get rid of them. But for now they are what they are. So anyway, like I said, we got a lot of different stuff. You got whites, blacks, tans, obviously reds. Here's tans. Tans look really nice with the logo on there. Turquoise, this one I like the best. You got your royal blues, there's whites, there's yellow, there's olive grab in there. That's another navy. That's the all-style navy, which is different than Hanes navy. It's not just the baggy either. See how this one's more closer to a black than this one. So I'm getting rid of all of these. This navy I like, this one I don't. It looks too much like this dirty black to me. I like the nice bright yellow, it's like bright colors. So anyway, all of this stuff's going to be, you know, what it is. Orange. The orange is very too. See, there's one there. There's one over here. See the difference? So this one is all style. This one's hands in my hand. So like I said, the colors vary a little bit. A lot of duplication, but they're different colors. There's forest green. That's pretty nice. So there's more blues again. They just change. Like I said, here's Hanes on Royal. There's all style on. So they just, you can see how they're just different shades. So maybe it's not just the, you know, the style of shirt you want, it's the color change. Anyway, like I said, the all style for me tends to live a little bit longer. But I've been wearing my same shirts for years, so it's something like that. Now I'm going to retire all my old shirts here, and I got new ones here I'm going to start wearing. And the old shirts, I'm going to try to do something with them. I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking about maybe having my sister, which does a lot of sewing crap. Maybe she can turn them into like pillows or something like that, or little toys or something like that. I don't know. Otherwise, I can sell them to somebody that wants them, but I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking more like that, a toy of some type. Be a better use for them. Broken in. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. So there's lots of different stuff in here. Like I said, these boxes are just full and full and full of stuff. And these are the Sophie shirts I got for the military. So these are the tans and these are the OD. So this is Navy for sure. And I think the OD was for Army and maybe Marine maybe. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is the real deal shirts. So we got those. So these are all cotton shirts too. So there's your logo. So you military guys know what all this stuff is. So these are a little bit lighter. They're like 4.5 ounce or something. And they do shrink a lot. These will shrink a full size probably. 2X is the biggest thing they make. So anyway, I got I think I got large through 2X I bought. I don't remember. And these are the hats. This is the last of them here. So if you want a hat, you better grab it. I got you know, probably about 10 down there maybe, and another 4 or 5 here, and one up there getting dirty. So these are going away. I'll probably keep the same style available here again, but I'm going to put my logo on it also. And I'm going to go, this is a 6-panel hat. I'm going to go to a 5-panel hat, get rid of that bead in the center. And then I'll probably get some trucker hats and stuff like that too to mix it up a little bit. But we're working on that still, and I'm still working on other stuff. You know, I'm still trying to get my guy to make stickers, patches, and stuff like that. Now I want to embroider the hat completely like this. I want to lose the green too because I hate it. Anyway, these are fully embroidered, so they're, you know, they're on the inside in here, so you can see them there other than that. What he wants to do is he wants to do a patch, an embroidered patch, and stick-on, glue-on, whatever they call it, heat patch, and then they stick it on there and make it look like it's not a patch. I said, I'd rather have embroidery. So what do you think? Should I have a cheaper hat that has the embroidery on it, or I mean the patch thing on it, which he said really wasn't going to be much cheaper, or just have a full-on embroidery on it? They're going to be expensive either way if I do that, or I can do a cheap hat and just do a silk screen on it, like like the shirt. I can just have that logo put on there. So what do you want? Let me know what you think. I listen. So we can get some stuff going. They're doing fireworks again outside there. So, and if you see something you want, let me know. I'll try to get it. And I'm gonna be getting some work shirts. Customer wants said to get work shirts, so he wants me to get work shirts. So work shirts are a button up, fancy collar on top, and then got double pockets and thick. People say they want my sweaters, but I don't know who sells these. Mine are collector's items. These are from like the 90s, these ones. I like them. I don't like hoodies, so I don't wear hoodies. And sweatshirts don't work for me. They're too tight on the arms. I tried that, and you can't work them. On my arms, they'll pinch off the blood supply, and my veins pop up. So, like I said, anyway, the website right now is 10% off. And like I said, I'll be working on this. I'll bump this up to 20 here in a little bit. And then I'll work in the, if I can get the closeout stuff to go in there, I'll do that too. So we'll play with that. And like I said, I'm going to be putting new pictures in here of the new stuff when I get it, when I do it. Right now we got the old pictures in here. So those will become the closeout pictures. And then I'll get the, when I get my new pictures in there, then I'll have the, there'll be the first line stuff. Right now it's a mix. Like I said, I'm getting rid of the older stuff first, and as it sells out, we do the other. But most of the popular sizes are already sold out. They're all the modern stuff. So anyway, there you go. Hope everybody had a fun New Year. I didn't. I worked all day. But that's fun for me. That's normal. So, all right. That's it for tonight on this one. I almost forgot. Thanks, Joe, for the picture. He made me a nice little picture here of my military bike motor and my race motor there. Anyway, there's one of my favorite motors right there. Everybody asks me what my favorite stuff is. I like flatheads. That's a nice picture. So the real deal's over here. See, that's a real bike. So anyway, there you go. So it looks pretty nice. All right, thanks again, Joe. Nice picture.